Staying at TNT Villa in Hoi An City Center, and we have a walkout straight to the pool, garden view. And when you walk this way, there's this tub, the washroom, really nice and quaint. We're gonna go grab some food. We had a 16-hour bus, and holy, it was so long. But it's pretty comfortable. Yeah, it was comfortable.
It was annoying because they kept stopping us and switching buses. I think we switched like 4 buses.
Here at this restaurant in Hoi An, I can't pronounce the name, so I'll just put it on the screen. But we're trying a dish that's really local to Hoi An. It's called a Cao Lau, and we're having the bun tet nuong, which is grilled meat with noodles. And the price looks pretty cheap, right? These are the 2 dishes we got. Jiva's saying it's going to be around $5
for 2 soups.
For 2 soups. Let's see if the portions are really big. And she also gave us some limes and some peppers. This is what the restaurant looks like. Food here at Nu Eatery in Hoi An. We got the steamed pork bun and tacos, and it's probably the best food we've had so far.
Probably.
It was so good.
Small portions, but amazing flavor.
Yeah, and the prices were pretty reasonable. Like each one was, there was 2 in each price, right? It was 40,000, was it? I can't remember, but
40,000, yeah, so each one was 20,000, which is for our money $1.
Yeah, and it was so good. What Nu Eatery looks like. Menu was really good.
Okay. So let me bring some color for you. And the shirt? How about shirt?
Out for the night in Hoi An. Jiva wanted to sleep. Force him to wake up. But it looks so nice and lively. Are we in the right way? Yeah. The weather is beautiful. We're walking through the street where no motorbikes can go, but even though we keep seeing motorbikes passing, it's pretty, and there's lanterns everywhere, and it's so busy and loud. It's so nice. We're gonna go to the river though and see if there's any lanterns being lit there. We're on a boat, on a lantern. We just made our wishes and we put it in the water, and now we're just sitting here. It's a 20-minute boat ride, and it's so beautiful. There's lanterns everywhere. It's so nice. Look.
지금부터 시작해보자. 하나씩 우리의 이야기를 같이 걸어가며 함께 만들어가. 너와 나 이제부터 시작해. 한 걸음씩 우리 함께해. 서로 다가가며 더 가까이 한 번 마주보며
Turn.
손을 잡고
Now we're gonna try pad thai at the market. We were craving Indian food, and there's an Indian shop that's really close to our hotel. And so we came here and we opened the menu, and they actually have a Sri Lankan food menu section. So there's kot roti here. Jiva wants to get that. You can get that, right? And I want the butter chicken, so we're gonna get that. I'm excited. I hope it actually tastes really authentic. We just had the Indian food, and it was good. It was yummy. And now we're gonna go get our clothes fitted, which we should have done the opposite way around so that our clothes aren't really tight, but we couldn't help
they
it.
called us while we're
Yeah.
eating.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Around?
Yeah. I think good fish.
Shiva and I are back getting another foot massage for the second day in a row, and now we're overlooking the water. It's gonna be nice. There's busking happening outside. It's gonna be relaxing. Okay, we're gonna go pick up our clothes that we got custom tailored. I'm excited, but I'm also very picky. So Jiva tried on his outfit yesterday, and he was very pleased with it. But we'll see how it goes.